In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Figma buttons interactive. Begin by designing the base button. Create a text layer for your label, then press Shift+A to wrap it in auto layout. This gives you consistent padding and alignment without manual nudging. Add a fill color so the button is visible and set a corner radius to get the shape you want. From subtle rounded corners to a full pill. When it looks right, turn it into a component with Ctrl+Alt+K. Making it a component now lets you manage different states in one place. Next, create variants for the states your button will use. In the right sidebar, click the plus icon next to variants and add versions for default, hover, and active. Keep the default as your normal appearance. For the hover variant, adjust the fill color or add a soft shadow so it feels responsive when a cursor is over it. For the active or pressed state, change the appearance to feel clicked. Often a slightly darker fill or stronger shadow communicates that feedback clearly. The key is visual consistency across states, so users always understand what's happening. Now add the interactions. Switch to the Prototype tab. You'll see a small blue node on your default button. Drag that node to the hover variant. In the interaction panel, set the trigger to while hovering and the action to change to the hover state. Choose Smart Animate so the transition eases smoothly rather than snapping. Then connect the hover to the active state. Drag a blue node from the hover variant to the active variant. Set the trigger to on click and choose Change to the active state. Again, pick Smart Animate to keep everything feeling polished and cohesive. Create a frame on your canvas to hold the test instance. This is just a regular frame and gives you a clear space for previewing the prototype. To test, open the Assets panel. Drag an instance of your button component into the frame and click the play button to enter presentation mode. Move your cursor over the button to see the hover animation and click to watch it transition to the active state. If something feels too abrupt or too subtle, return to your variants or interaction settings and fine-tune the visuals. That's it. Thanks for watching.